You
Yeah,
were talking about family values. So in today's time, when Bollywood is often accused of, not maintaining those family ties, I think Deol family is one of those families who believe in core values.
definitely.
We have always seen Dharmendra standing by his sons, Sunny Deol or Bobby Deol. How do you see that this is one of the, I would say, rare families in
Closely knitted
Bollywood,
families.
closely knitted family.
Definitely.
I was, reminiscing his last birthday when Bobby and Sunny, both of them, were holding him and they were bringing him to the paparazzi, and he so enthusiastically celebrated his birthday. How do you see Dharmendra as a family man?
The first thing that came to my mind when I talk about Dharme, he is a family man. And imagine if Salman Khan is saying this, कि he is a person whom I see as a father figure. Imagine he said this after Salim Khan. If he's talking about, I see him as a father figure. That's the beauty of the man. That's the love he has earned from all the corners. Talking about a family man, he also shared an amazing bond with his all his daughters,
Yeah.
Isha, Vijeta, Ahana, a different. And I still remember talking to Isha Deol and talking about a film where she vividly said, आज ही मैं कोई film करती हूँ ना तो पापा को दिखा दिया, ensure that I take the first review, the first feedback from him. That's the beauty of it.
No,
And then
that's the beauty of this family, which
family.
we rarely see in other Bollywood families. Aaj, normally what we see, actor other kahin aur hai, star kid kahin aur ja raha hai.
Exactly.
But this was the only family we would see, like at Sunny's son,
Sons, 2019.
at
Like
Sunny's son's wedding, Karan Deol's wedding, if you remember, how Dharmendra was greeting
every
every
guest, every,
guest at the
yeah.
red carpet. So I'm gonna remember this man as a family man. Of course, he's a legendary. आप इनको ही मैन कह
He
लीजिए, जो
man.
भी कह लीजिए, but
A
he
good
was a.
soul that has
एंड
left.
सब हर कोई अभिषेक सिंप्लिसिटी और इनकी
Exactली.
इनकी सिंप्लिसिटी की बात करें, अगर प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने भी अपनी श्रद्धांजलि में धर्मेंद्र जी की सिंप्लिसिटी को हाईलाइट किया है.
बिल्कुल.
तो डिड यू एवर attend any press conference where you felt that warmth of Dharmendra ji?
Yeah, that's what I was talking about. Yamla Pagla Devana. I still remember the way, even at 80 years, the kind of charisma, the kind of enthusiasm he has as an artist. He was like, you have to watch the film for me. Sunny and Bobby can take a backseat. You have to watch the film for me. आज भी मैं अपने दम पे film चला सकता हूँ. See, that was not overconfidence. That is what an
Dharmendra
artist
ji.
has. Yeah, this is what defines Dharmendra ji as an artist. And the best part about him, other than acting, was I remember watching him on television. He judged India's Got Talent in 2011 on
Oh.
Color, and there the way he treated the contestant with lots of love. I still remember watching an interview where the winner said कि since that person was not part of the Bombay Circle, Dharmendra ji used to bring food for all the contestants. That's the beauty of a human being. Before an artist, we all are human beings, and Dharmendra ji, Dharmendra Deol, Dharam Paji has proved that before being an artist, you are a human being. Imagine if a 10-year-old boy is loving him, an 8-year-old grandma is loving him,
Grandma
he
is
must
loving
have done something. He must have done
And that's
something.
why probably every artist who's connecting with us at this moment, be it Sunil Pal or Praveen Dabas recently spoke to us, and he was remembering his moments with Dharam Paji. And there, a while ago, we connected with a Kashmiri actor, and he was telling that he couldn't cope up with the news, that he had to ask his director to halt the shoot. He was shooting. And amid his shooting, he had to halt the shooting. So that's the aura of a legendary superstar whom we lost today. But everybody says, जिसे आना है उसे जाना है.
I would love to share another
We
incident.
all would celebrate Dharmendra ji, rather mourning him. But
Mourning him.
of course, the country is mourning, and it is a
We have to
time
celebrate
grieve.
him.
But we should rather celebrate this legendary actor, this superstar that our country has produced. One of the rarest gem who is irreplaceable. You were talking about some incident, Abhishek.
I remember watching an old interview, an old video segment where Dilip Sahab, like he is also an evergreen actor of Indian cinema. He said, मुझे ईश्वर ने सब चीज़ से नवाजा है. I have been given everything by God. But gosh, I wish I was as handsome as
As
Dharmendra
Dharmendra.
ji. Like still remember when
And
I
I would
was.
like to add something on
Hmm.
that Dharmendra has once said that, I am an actor today because of Dilip sir. And
Exactly.
the looks that he had, how can somebody be so handsome as Dilip Kumar?
Dilip
And Dilip
Kumar.
said, Kumar said the same
Same
thing
thing.
about,
That's
I
with a
hope
mutual
both, I
respect.
hope both these actors are meeting in heaven
Heaven,
today, and
that's for sure.
that's meeting must be heavenly.
10 years, 20 years, 30, 100, even 200 years down the line, their contribution will always be talked about. That is their contribution. They have not only contributed to Indian cinema, I believe they've contributed to global cinema.
Global cinema.
Global, that's for sure. And the year has not ended on a good note. But as we said, we are here to celebrate his life,
And
celebrate his career.
a while ago, Abhishek, Ranveer, Deepika, Mika Singh, all these celebrities have reached a crematorium. Ranveer Singh shared screen with Dharmendra ji in Rocky
Rocky
or Rani
Rani.
Ki Prem Kahani.
But today I feel at a loss of words. It feels something personal. शायद मेरे घर का कोई सदस्य है वो आज हमारे बीच नहीं है. And I don't know what to say, but all I can say is that we at a
Yeah.
loss of words.
A while ago, Abhishek, like everybody is pouring tribute on social
Social
media.
media.
A while ago, Junior NTR has also written something on his Twitter handle. I would like to read that. He has mentioned, deeply saddened to hear about the passing of Dharmendra ji. An era he defined can never be replaced, and the warmth he brought to Indian cinema will stay with us forever. My heartfelt condolences and prayers to the entire family. So, tributes have started pouring in from the southern industry also. A while ago, Kajol, Kareena Kapoor, Ajay Devgan, Akshay Kumar, everybody from
Everyone.
the Bollywood film fraternity. Karan Johar was the first one to break this unfortunate,
Unfortunate
sad
news.
news to the audience, and after that, throughout Bollywood have been pouring tribute, and now Junior NTR, superstar, Telugu superstar, a pan-India actor, Junior NTR has uh,
Paid a tribute.
tweeted and paid a tribute to the legendary actor. Everybody is, like you were saying, everybody is feeling it as a personal loss. Ranveer Singh and Deepika Padukone, Akshay Kumar have already reached. Pawan
Pavan's
Hans,
crematorium.
T Series, Honcho Bhushan Kumar, Mika Singh, and others are. Jackie Shroff reached the crematorium a while ago. Abhishek, you were saying.